Walton Village Affordable Apartments in Marietta, Georgia, we have considered all the details to enhance your lifestyle. Convenient location, Marietta City Schools, outstanding amenities, and oversized floor plans with high ceilings and an abundance of windows. Our homes also feature spacious walk-in closets, a breakfast bar, and a built-in computer center. Outdoors, the sparkling pool and walking paths create a luxurious green space. And the Adventure Center offers complimentary after-school enrichment programs for children in grades K to 5th grade. The amenities continue with a fitness center, comfortable common areas, and a lending library. Our community offers a wide selection of 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartment homes. We look forward to welcoming you home.